In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the Freshdesk Analytics dashboards for a more tailored and efficient reporting workspace. Let's dive right in and see how you can personalize this space to better fit your team's needs, making data-driven decision-making easier and more effective. If you're an admin or a supervisor overseeing a team, creating a custom team dashboard is a great place to start. First, you'll want to navigate to the Dashboard tab in your Freshdesk portal. Once you're there, open the menu and click on New Team Dashboard. It's important to note that you can create up to 15 dashboards per account, giving you plenty of room to organize your data in various ways that best serve your team's objectives. When it comes to configuring the visibility of your new dashboard, you have some flexibility. You can set it up so it's viewable by all agents or restrict access to a specific group. This feature is incredibly useful for maintaining clarity and focus within different teams. Once your dashboard is set up, it's time to add some widgets from the widget library to make your dashboard come to life. You'll find a variety of widget types that cater to various data points and metrics. For instance, you might use scorecards to monitor ticket counts, or bar charts to track ticket distribution by category. Customer satisfaction, or CSAT, widgets are available and particularly handy for keeping an eye on feedback trends. Leaderboards, on the other hand, add a gamified element, allowing you to incentivize and track metrics like response or resolution speed. Configuring each widget is where you'll really tailor the dashboard to your workflow. First, give each widget a name that clearly reflects the data it represents. For dynamic data insight, link your widget to a ticket view. You have the option to categorize the data by various fields, such as ticket status, priority, or the handling agent, which adds another layer of customization. You can also decide whether to display information as a count or a percentage, depending on what makes the most sense for the data you're analyzing and the insights you wish to gather. One of the powerful features of the Freshdesk dashboards is that by clicking on the widget, you can access the complete list of tickets it represents through the View All option. This dynamic capability enables quick contextual shifts from high-level overviews to detailed insights, empowering you and your team to make informed, timely decisions. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're well on your way to creating an optimized, custom dashboard that truly meets the unique needs of your team and organization. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this guide helpful in enhancing your Freshdesk experience.